So una-una, maligayang bati. Congratulations to our 165 newly hired and newly promoted personnel. Yung inyong pagkakatalaga bilang bagong empleyado at bilang bagong promoted na tauhan natin, isang malaking hamon yan sa inyo. Isang malaking responsibilidad yan ninyo. Kaya-kaya naman natin yan. Sabay-sabay napakita naman natin, and I've already announced to everyone in all available opportunities that BOC has achieved remarkable record-breaking performances in terms of collection, enforcement, and reforms. So tulungan nyo tayo doon, no? Kayo mga bagong again promoted at bagong kakatalaga lang natin mga kasamahan. You have to decide. Are you joining me in reforming the Bureau or you're not? Of course, dapat samahan ninyo ako dahil ito naman ay hindi BOC ko. Ito ay BOC nating lahat. Ito ay BOC ng bansa.